Right.
So nice.
Named after
Who's that? Hannah. And then there's me, but I'll tell that later. Do you have a message for everyone?
Everyone where?
Like, I don't know, MySpace, Street Scene, YouTube.
Hello.
Thank you for cooking on Coral's taste.
Yeah.
It smells of vomit so much now. Watch this magic door.
Whoa, let's have a look. It's the toilet.
Now, Hannah, you get in there.
Go on, go in.
It is magic.
It smells lovely.
Get thrown off. Come on, let's go back in there.
Yeah, we've lost Rachel.
And this football hooligan.
Oh yeah, who we got sung to by, yeah, whatever. Go on Josh, say something interesting.
Well, I don't know where we are right now.
We're in Congleton.
Congleton.
Yeah, this is near my house.
Where the hell is Congleton? Oh no, we're near the football hooligan.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
We'll go on a walk.
We're in the football hooligan.
Ooh.
Still recording?
Yeah, I am. Should sing us a song. Oh. Worse in the quiet zone. Oh, looks like we're sitting down now. Do you want to go in first?
You're making this video.
Okay.
YouTube's next big thing.
Yeah, I think she should sing the song, Joe.
Oh no, I'm past singing.
But we heard you before.
That's what it sounds like.
You did.
I did.
Did you know? And I'll stop.